Hello guys! Good afternoon from Portugal. Hola, boa tarde. Tenho novas raspadinhas, Roda de Premios. I have the new tickets, guys. It's called Roda de Premios. Prizes on the wheel. Grande sorte con bonus. In English, big luck, I think, with bonus. Okay? In the bonus area, we're looking for horseshoe, raspia, aria, bonus, si encontrar o símbolo Ferradora, gana de inmediato 20 and matching number. Okay? And this one, tres cuantías iguales, three like prices. Vamos comenzar. Let's start. Let's start with this. Ruda de Premios on my dancing tripod. There are 6 chances to win. I'm gonna use the Portuguese escudos. Portuguese money before escudos. 3 like prices, guys. My dancing tripod. I hope you don't get headache because my phone is charging. $100, $100, $1,000. $20. No. My dancing tripod. $50. No. I think this is not a winner because 2 different letters. $500. And the last one. 3 like prices. I think no. And my dancing tripod. Jesus. Okay, ticket number 29, 27, 27, 28. Roda de Premios. Why my oh Lord. No. 500, 1,000, 1,000, 100. 3 like prices, guys. No. 4, 20, 5, 2, 2. 5, 20, 10. 2, 2, 4. Nada or what? Okay, so there's no win. Oh Lord, 2 in a row. Maybe this is a winner. No. 3 cuantías iguales. 20. No. 3 like prices. 100, 50, 20. 5. 5. Come on, give me one more 5. Oh Lord, 20. Maybe this is a winner. 10, 20, 20. No. So far, there's no win. 20, 100, 5, 4. Oh Lord, there's no win. Okay, so there's no win. I will review, but I think there's no win. J and... Okay, so let's go to Grande Sorte. My ticket number is 14, ano, 14, 15 size, 14, 15, and 16. Let's go to the bonus. Ferradora. Only one symbol. Why they make it big? Space. We're looking for 28, 13, 24, 23, 30, 11, 28, 4. I found a win, guys. 4. One more. One more prize. Okay, so at least I found a win. 4. Coffee money. I found a coffee money. 4. As expected. Okay, so I found the coffee money. What's the lottery code? P. P for 4. Okay, so at least I have a win. At least give me 10 euro, but no. Ferradora. No. Sanova or Cloud. We're looking for 21, 25, 24, 13, 21. Yes, wow! Back to back, guys. I found a back-to-back win. 21, des. Maybe there's more. Come on, give me more. Not bad, guys. Back to back. Okay, so I got back-to-back wins. 21 this euro. I only spent 20, guys, and I already got 14. Okay, so there's no more here. 21 des. Nice. Roda de Premio. So I got all the wins on the Grande Sorte. I have one more, maybe 3 in a row. Ferradora. Novine, otra vez. Cloud again. We're looking for 21, otra vez. 21 again, guys. Maybe 3 in a row. Ahay! 3 in a row! Oh, what? Jesus. It's not 15. We're looking for 15. I thought it's 3 in a row, but no. 15. We're looking for 15, guys, not 21. Oh Lord, Zika. Besides, so this is not a winner. I thought it's 3 in a row. Okay, so 15, no, not a winner. I thought I'm looking for 21, but no, it's 15. Okay, so it's not a winner, obviously. Okay, so I got 14 so far and still have 2 tickets. Here, 30 set, lucky 7. I don't know why they call this lucky 7. 38, 23. 38, 23, 38, maybe I don't see. Okay. 46, 27. 46. 27. Oh Lord, this tripod is never stop dancing, guys. Okay, so sorry guys, my other phone is charging. 37, 13. 37, 37, 13, 37, 6, 4. 6, 4. 14, 33, 33, 14, 33, 33, 16, 43, 43, 16, 52, 8, 52, 52, 8, 11, 30, 30, 11, 11. I need 46 to win. Ay, there's 46. It's a winner. There's 46, guys. I didn't scratch. Nice. It's a winner. There's 23 also. No 45. No 45. It's a winner. I need no. 41. 34. 41. No 22. No 22. 31. No. 40. I review, guys, because I miss a lot of numbers. No, no. This is a no. 19. No. This one, there's nothing. What? 34. 41. 34, there is. Lord, Sika. 3, no 3. No 49. Okay. No 19. No 3. Only one. One win. No 45. 45, no. It's only one win. How much? €5. Not bad. D. Okay, D, €5, guys. So I got back, I already got 19. Okay, I only spent 25 mais 10, 15, 15, guys. Mais, how much is it? I won this, 28, 4, 19. Okay, and I have one more ticket. This is Kudo give me wins today. The Ruder Premiums, I don't win anything. I will review. Maybe I win, but I scratch so fast. Okay. 18, 59. Puti the meal, guys, means part of meal means honey. 18, 59. 59. Okay. 47, 2. 47. 47. 2. 28, 14. 28. ¡Ay, winner! 28, 14. Winner, guys. €5. Wow! It's a winner, guys. 16, 39. 16, 39. 16, 57, 40. 40, 57. I need 7 to win. 57, 40. Okay. 35, 35, 44. 44, 50, 29. 50, 29. Ay! I win 10, guys. 10, 5, 10. 54, 54 set. 54 set, okay? Win 10, guys. 21, 42. 21, 42. Okay, so this is a winner, guys. 10 euro win. Wow! Lottery code. W. W stands for 10 euro, I think. 14. 14. 18. 18. 28. 28. 47. 47. Another 5 set. 7. 40. 57. Okay, so 10. This is a 10 euro win. Mais plus 10. 20. Plus 5. 25, of course. Plus 28 to how much I won is 4. 29. So 9 euros lucro. Okay? Profit of 9 euro, guys. Nice. Okay, so I bought 3 of these. Are all losers. I will review. Maybe there's a win. I scratch so fast. I'll bring this to the machine, but I think there's no win. Okay. 3 like prices. There's no win, I think. Okay, so I got 29 euros back. I spent 20, guys. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.